Well, it's Thursday, June the 2nd in Wetumpka, and we have a 2-for today. We have the farmer's market on one side of the river, and we have the community market day on the other side of the river. So we're gonna check them both out. Let y'all see what's going on. This is the farmer's market. A little bit of something for everybody. How are you guys doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing good.
Good.
So another farmer's market.
That's right.
This is great. You got it going on both sides of the river.
We do. Come out and keep America first and support small business. This
There
is
you
Main Street America.
Amen.
Come out and support us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless you. So fun out here.
Yeah, oh yeah. The farmer's market on one side of the river and the community market on the other side.
Peaches.
I mean, they'll turn, but they won't really.
Well, we're at Sabrina's Homemade Fried Peach and Apple Pies. Wow. Farmer's Market in Wetumpka, the first Thursday of every month.
Every Thursday.
Oh, every Thursday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the farmer's market is every Thursday?
Every Thursday until August.
Until August. Oh,
Yes, sir.
awesome.
Yes, sir.
Great. But anyway, so we got a 2 for today. We got the community market across
Yes,
the
sir.
street. Yeah, good deal.
That's once a month.
Yeah, once a month.
Every
Sure,
month.
yes,
Yes.
yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
Elmore County Produce. The farmer's market.
Is my mama and papa. Down the road I look and there on Mary hair of gold and
Yeah, this is the pavilion that the hometown takeover from HGTV built during their promotion here. Makes a lot of difference on this side of the river. Got a little bit of everything here at the farmer's market.
There's that old street that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary. Hair of gold and lips like pearls. It's just
The farmer's market.
the green grass of home.
Well, this is the farmer's market on one side of the river, and the community market is on the other side of the river. And we're going to go over there and see how they are doing as well. Well, there's the farmer's market on that side of the river. And now I'm going to go over to the community market on this side of the river. Well, we're on this side of the river now at the community market day. Going to do a little walk through and see what's going on here. It's always a good time here. A lot of folks, a lot of merchandise. Oh, look who's here.
Hey,
You didn't wonder.
how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing? Another pretty day. Muscadine Creek.
Hey. Sean. Sean. Who's that with you? Who is that?
Some
Huh?
TV star.
That's what I
picked up.
know. I know. Yeah, that's what I know.
Did you see me?
I didn't. I was across over there. What time did you come on?
Good day.
It's market day. Thought I'd come around here to market shops because I know I can cut through here to the marketplace. Heads up, everybody. How are you guys doing today? I'm going to cut through to the community market. Will that work? Okay. Have you guys been out back?
Yes, sir.
Do you guys have a booth out back? Or no,
We
you
just
don't?
have our store open on both sides.
Sure, good deal, good deal. Okay, see you guys later, bye-bye. So we're walking through the marketplace, going to the alleyway back here. This goes all the way through.
Anxiety. It was a while ago, but I had so much anxiety that I just like, I could not get in here. Then I stopped, and then I mean, I have to be 10, y'all.
I know.
Hey.
Well,
Are
hey,
we on video?
you are. I'm cutting through.
It's good to see you guys.
So what do you have to say for yourself?
I have to say that it's a great day. It's gorgeous outside, and I don't know what time it is, but we probably 6:13. Okay, there's still a while left.
Oh
It's
yeah,
good to see you.
there's still plenty of time left. So anyway, this is going to be posted for later. So
Okay.
yeah, it's every first Thursday of every month until August, right?
Yes. I
Okay.
think that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the patriotism going on.
Oh, you do?
I
Well,
love
thank
it.
you.
I love it.
Good deal. Thank you, Callie. Good
You're
to see
welcome. Good to see you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
you. Anyway, you can cut right through the marketplace to the alley back here, which is what we're going to do. And it opens up to down on the river. Let's go see what everybody's doing. Well, we have the Coosa Cleaver here. They've got their specials going on tonight at the community market. Every Thursday, every first Thursday of the month until August. Good deal. Looks good. Good to see you. Yeah. Another happy paying customer. Hello, sunshine. Well, that just about does it for Community Market Day for June. Be back again the first Thursday of next month. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.